how to send Excel sheet on Gmail. That is about be right here. So that is still to be right now, guys. So what it should be really satisfied for making this kind of thing very important to deal with what it can be said. That it can be really satisfied for making this kind of thing is very important to know how this can be really dealt with this kind of the progresses, as you can see about to go to Gmail and then start to open Compose. And then what we can do is about to log in with the account Compose. That it should be really top left corner. About enter receipts and subject, try acceptance email address, a subject and a message. So we're gonna start to draw right now that we are going to know, and we started to add some kind of Excel here right here. So we go for finding the Excel. So what we can do is about find Excel over here, Excel files, that it can be really right now over here. And then what we started to search for it. Once you search for Excel file, you can open it, and then you gonna start to add it on that. And that is about also to send, to add a sender who you would like to send it to, and that is all about.